Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to use and access the watch later feature on YouTube. So the first thing we need to do to use the watch later is find a video that we would like to watch later. So go to the video that you'd like to watch later, and in the bottom right of that video is this save option. Go ahead and click that, and then select the watch later option, and this is going to go into your watch later playlist. You can create other watch later playlists, so if you want to have a variety of different playlists to look at, you can do that. But for now, we're just going to have the single playlist for watch later. So I've added this video to my watch later playlist. Now let's go ahead and find it. To get to your watch later playlist, go to the top left of YouTube and hit these three little lines up here. It's going to pull up this menu, and then just scroll down until you hit the watch later area. If you've created other playlists, they're going to appear below that. So select watch later, and then here it's going to show you all the videos that you've saved to watch later, like the one we just did. And that's how you use the watch later feature on YouTube. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and hope to see you all in future videos.